Hello friends, Vanakkam. Welcome to Whiteboard Learning with me. Today we discuss about pineal gland. Pineal gland located in the region of midbrain, the region of thalamus. Pineal gland located in the region of thalamus. So, pineal gland also called as coronarium, epiphysis, cerebri, pineal organ, pineal body, and endocrine gland. Okay, it's found in vertebrates that is the source of melatonin, a hormone derived from tryptophan that plays a central role in the regulation of circadian rhythms. Means the roughly 24-hour cycle of biological activities associated with natural and so on. Okay, what is pineal gland? Pineal gland is very small and it is P-shaped gland in the brain. Its function is not fully understood, but researchers do know that it produces and regulates some hormones including melatonin. So, melatonin is best known for the role it plays in regulating sleep patterns. Sleep patterns also called circadian rhythms. Then the pineal gland also plays role in regulation of female hormone levels and it may affect fertility and the menstrual cycle. That's due in part to the melatonin produced and excreted by the pineal gland. Okay, this is the location of pineal gland. This is human brain. This portion is thalamus region and this is hypothalamus. This is pituitary gland. So this is the pineal gland. This is the pineal gland portion. See, a 2016 study trusted source suggested that melatonin may also help protect against cardiovascular issues such as atherosclerosis and hypertension. However, more research needs to be done into the potential functions of melatonin. Then this is the structure of the location of the pineal gland. This is human brain. This location is thalamus region. This is the pineal gland. See, this is the thalamus and this is pineal gland. Then functions of pineal glands are the main function of the pineal gland is to receive information about the state of light dark cycle from the environment and convey this information to produce and secretes the hormone melatonin. This is basic and important function. Finally, the disorders of pineal glands. The disinfection of the pineal gland produces less melatonin secretion, which may result in insomnia, abnormal thyroid function, anxiety, intestinal hyperactivity, and menopause. These are all the disorders of pineal gland. And pressure, seasonal affective disorder, abnormal adrenal function. So this is something about pineal gland. Subscribe my channel. Thank you.